Looking for a mechanical keyboard that balances serious gaming performance with all-day typing comfort without breaking the bank? Let's talk about the JHXRBZR A75 in this stunning blue gradient colorway. In purpose, this is a wired gaming keyboard built for PC gamers who want customization and a premium feel. Its standout feature is the hot swappable socket design. This is a game changer. You can pop out the included slash switches, which offer crisp, responsive keystrokes, and install any compatible 3-pin or 5-pin mechanical switch later. No soldering iron required. It future-proofs your investment and lets you tailor the sound and feel perfectly. For real-world use, the gasket mount structure truly shines. It suspends the internal plate on soft gaskets, absorbing shock. The result is a noticeably more comfortable, slightly softer typing experience with reduced noise and vibration, whether you're in a marathon gaming session or writing a report. The vibrant RGB backlighting is fully customizable with multiple dynamic modes to set the mood, and the dual system compatibility means it works seamlessly on Windows and Mac. Now for pros and cons. Major pros include the fantastic customization from Hot Swap and RGB, the premium and comfortable gasket-mounted typing feel, and the solid ergonomic construction. The wired connection guarantees zero input lag. The main con is for wireless enthusiasts. This is a wired-only board. Also, while the stock switches are good, enthusiasts might want to upgrade them or add lubricant for an even smoother sound. In comparison to other boards in its price range, the A75 punches above its weight by offering a gasket mount design, which is often reserved for more expensive keyboards. A practical tip: take advantage of the hot swap feature. If you find the clicky switches too loud for your environment, you can easily and cheaply swap in a set of silent linear switches later. Overall, the JHXRBZR A75 delivers exceptional value. It combines a premium typing experience, deep customization, and robust build into a single, attractive package. For gamers and typists wanting a high-feature keyboard without a high-end price, this is a compelling choice. Thanks for watching. What's your go-to keyboard switch? Let me know in the comments below.